Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Discover to Cash App. So first of all, you need to open up Cash App on your mobile device. And then, from the home screen, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. It'll take you to this screen. From here, scroll down and tap on Linked Banks. Once you're on this screen, you simply need to tap on Link Debit Card. It'll then ask you to enter in your debit card details. But instead, you need to tap on No Card option right over here. And then tap on Continue at the bottom of the screen. You're going to scroll through the list until you find your bank. But if you don't see Discover over here, you just have to search for it manually in the search bar at the top. It will then prompt you to authenticate your Discover account. Simply tap Continue at the bottom. After that, you'll be taken to this login page. Over here, all you need to do is log into your Discover account like you usually would. Follow the on-screen instructions and your account is linked. From here, you simply need to head back to your Cash App home screen. Once you're here, tap on the bank icon in the bottom left corner. It'll take you to this screen. Simply tap on Add Cash. A pop-up will come up. From here, you can either select an amount or just tap on this three-dot icon to enter in your desired amount, and then hit Add Cash at the bottom. Enter in your Cash App PIN to confirm, and you're done. Well, that's how you transfer money from Discover to Cash App. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.